open up the pork belly and sort of roll it out, and I get a few big frights. It's got nipples on it. That's so gross. That's what I didn't want to touch them. They were really, really gross.
You don't want your pork belly to be humanized. You don't want your pork belly to be humanized. It's very weird.
Oh, it's so gross.
How do you like your beef cooked?
I don't actually eat meat.
And I'm like, what?
When I was 17, I decided I didn't like the thought of eating animals. So I just stopped. I think I'm at the point in my life where, hey, if this gets me eating meat again, it gets me eating meat again. Eating meat is obviously going to be something that I'm going to have to do.
So, Ricky, are you going to be going home hungry tonight? Are you going to be smashing this dessert?
Oh, you wait.
My next job is crayfish.
Megan's a little bit scared of the alien undersea creatures.
You're gonna do the insides, right?
Yeah. So we thought that the crows had gone to sleep, had gone to Crowland.
Oh, he's moving.
But we get them out and they're still kind of flipping about.
Oh. He's still alive. I can't do that one. I was thinking, do I have time to put them back in the freezer? I did not want to have to actually physically kill anything. But I had to.
Cut him through the head first.
You come back to you since I've killed you and you're still dying.
What?
Talking to the crayfish. Come on, my little friend. It was horrible.
It's like a half a body in front of me with legs.
Oh, I can't believe the crayfish had eyes.
Oh, I know. It's like looking at me.
Sorry, Ricky. I cried when I killed him, don't worry.
I feel that was a wee bit uncalled for, a wee bit mean.
Did you really kill him?
It may not have been the best sort of dry joke to play at that particular point in time.
Especially knowing that I'm not a huge fan of meat, I just thought, well, do you want me to give you a one?
I noticed that there is a tank full of turtle. When I moved to the United States, I bought a little turtle. She's a princess. Once or twice a week, I take her for a walk. I have a little Chihuahua leash that I tie around her shell and tie it up to the chairs, so she just go back and forth. Now, this guy is cutting turtle to make turtle soup, and that's mean. God.
That looks beautiful.
My grandfather used to go hunt for pheasant, so I was thinking about chicken cacciatora. Red onion, oregano, garlic, capers, pecorino with polenta. It's family memories.